Now in this lecture, we are going to start the session. Using session, we are going to store user information. In session, we are going to store registered or login user information as well as we are going to display post messages. First, I'm just going to close all the files and I will only open user registration.php. Below this, I will write session start. Okay, now my session will be started. Above this, we are just going to check if our session variable is set or not. I will write here session, and inside this session name, I will be passing username. Okay, inside this session variable, we are just going to store the username who has registered or login. If this is set, then what we will do, we are simply going to redirect the profile page. Here I will be creating script tag, and then I'm just going to close script tag. Semicolon. Inside the script tag, I will be passing window. Okay, this is part of JavaScript. Inside this, I will write here location and then I will be passing href. And inside this href, I'm just going to pass the file after registration where user has to redirect that file name I'm going to pass. Now what I will do, copy this file name. Inside this users area, I'm just going to create this profile.php. Okay, if the username is set, then what we will do, we are simply going to redirect the profile.php. And after that, I'm just going to exit. Very important. Again, I do not have to continue entire thing directly. I'm just going to exit. Now come here. When we click on register button, we are accessing all the values from the form. Below this, I will be creating two variables. I will write here post message. Initially, I'm just going to assign empty string. When a registration is successful, only then we have to show this message. And also I will write here registration success. And initially, I'm just assuming everything. Okay, we have not registered. So initially, I'm just going to assign the value false. Okay, what we have done, we have started the session and we are checking if our session is set, then we should be redirected to profile page. We cannot come to this user registration directly. We are going to move to profile page. Now here, copy this post message. You can see for this empty field, we are using echo. Now I'm just going to use this variable. Okay, if you are having any error, then using this post message, this message will be shown. Here also, I will be using toast message. Normal echo, I am not going to display. Toast message. And lastly, we are having here, I'm just going to paste. Then rest entire thing, you don't have to change anything. But below this execution of query, I'm just going to set my session variable. Here we are already checking, but it is very important. We set this session variable. So here I will be creating my session variable username, and for this I'm just going to assign this username. Whichever name user has entered inside the form, that name I'm going to assign to my session. Once I have set, here I'm just going to copy this post message. Below this I'm just going to paste. Okay, now this point if I reach, that means registration is successful. So this entire thing I will remove and here I will write registration successful. Welcome to Gleam Creates. Okay, all good. But here what I am checking, if the username is already set and if the user is trying to go to user registration, user will be redirected to profile page. But once the registration is successful, okay, after this entire thing, below this, I will be creating session variable post message. So here I will be writing session and inside this I'm just going to pass post message. Okay, this variable I'm creating as a session and inside this I'm just going to assign this post message. Copy and paste. And after displaying, okay, after this successful message, what I will do, initially I have just assigned registration to be false. Once the registration is successful, I'm just going to assign the value true and this will be as my variable. Below this, I will be checking if my registration is success. Okay, if my registration is successful, then user should be redirected to index.php. Same thing, I'm just going to copy, and inside this I will be pasting. Okay, if our registration is successful, then user should be redirected to index.php. Come outside of users folder, and then I'm just going to display index.php. Else, if the registration is not successful, we should be in the same file. So here I will be writing header. Inside this, I will be passing location, and in which location I should be? I should be in same location, that is registration.php, and below this I'm just going to exit. Now here, whatever session we have set, I'm just going to copy. Below this I will be pasting, and inside this post notification you can see we have already set this session, and accordingly we have performed entire logic. So inside this user registration, we are setting this post message, and whatever message we are having, okay, whatever message we are going to get from here, that will be shown as the notification. And again, scroll up. Here we are having page title, header and nav bar. Copy this, cut it from here, and below this I'm just going to paste. Okay, why? Because in these files we have included this post and everything. So that is the reason we are just going to include below. And then open index.php, and here also I'm just going to start the session start. Okay, why? Because inside this we are going to redirect to index.php, and there we have to show the notification. Now come to project, refresh once, click on this register button. Here I will be writing Hanam. Here let me write Divya. Email I will write divya@gmail.com. Choose file, I have selected password 1234, confirm password 1234, address Chennai, mobile number, click on register. You can see I am having notification, registration successful, welcome to Gleam Creates, and where I have redirected. After successful registration, I will be redirected to index.php. And now here my session is already set. If I click on this register button, you can see I will be redirected to profile page. Why? Because we have already told if our username is set, then we should be going to profile page instead of going to user registration. So this is how entire logic will be working. Okay, simple. We have just created the toast message, and we have set the session variables. When user is registered, we will be redirected to index.php, and accordingly, whatever post messages we have given here, based on this, entire content will be displayed.